Now you've downloaded the app and you can see you got to open it. Tutorial on what to do, and you can kind of skip through this. We can continue with Facebook. You can continue with your email. You can use the Facebook to sign in. That will Facebook. So there we go. Create the app. It asks any emails, news, promos. That's up to you. It'll give you some terms here that you can click, so you got to accept. Use your location. That's always a good idea. Once you get in here, you're going to want to search for Detroit Wellness. In Detroit Wellness from my location, and you might want to stretch it out here just and hit search, and then there it would come up. That's why I'm going to hit that. Now, one of the most important things you could do right now is favorite it. So again, you hit the little favorite right there by hitting the heart. And you can book either one. So I can come in here and I can book it. Okay. And it says additional information is required for booking. Where can Detroit Wellness reach you? And you know, that's where I put my number. Your phone might actually do that for you. Hit done. Submit. You're also going to have to agree to this. You hit agree, and then it will ask you for your signature. And it says the next time you do it, you wouldn't have to go through those steps. It would already be done. So the next class is free. Hit next. And then it asks you, would you like to book this class? Of course I do. I booked the class. Now I can share it. I can add it to my calendar. And they would like to ask, okay, so now I can add it to my calendar. I can also share it. So I could hit up a friend on multiple ways. Facebook, Messenger, email, message. So, hey, you know somebody that wants to work on it, says, want to work on, let's try this class I found on Mindbody. And it actually will give that person a link. Those people, of course, you can enable all this stuff. Up to you. We'll hit enable. We'll hit allow. And that's pretty much it. Going forward, I mean, we can look at add to our calendar. It is added to our calendar, this class. Go back here and view the schedule. And I will see that I am booked here. I can also look at Friday. There's another class here. And then on Monday, we would have our classes. So pretty straightforward how to use it. Again, when you show up now, you can find your favorites. Favorited us. All you have to do